you're real into tropical plant vibes and appreciate palm plants, then you're gonna wanna stick around because I am going to share with you one of my favorite places to shop from, which is today's garden topic. First things first, hey everyone, I'm Vanessa and welcome to my channel. Here we talk and do planty things, so if that interests you, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I post new videos. Living here in Florida, it's only fitting that I have officially fell in love with palm trees. I have a few already in my plant collection and I am about to add another one. Today's video features Plantvine, as I have partnered up with them on this video. They are definitely one to check out as they offer a great selection on many different palm plants, from the common ones to the more rare ones, such as this Licuala Ramsayi, which I got back in April. This right here is the newest palm frond, and there is actually another one growing in right here. When these get larger, their palm fronds actually can get quite big and they are pretty stunning. Plantvine not only carries a variety of palms, but they also have an extensive selection on other tropical plants, from indoor to outdoor, unusual and rare, plants to match any lifestyle. And not only that, they also provide a photo of the exact plant hand selected for you prior to shipping, which is a feature any plant enthusiast or beginner can appreciate when shopping online for plants. So I'm gonna do an unboxing here for you and show you what I got, but before I do that, I just wanted to share I do have a code you can use to receive 15% off your purchase at Plantvine, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. All right, let's open this thing. Ooh, hello. All right, so here we got a little pamphlet. Here are just some of the other plants that Plantvine has to offer. Alrighty. You guys, this is so cool. All right, so I went ahead and removed the plastic wrapping on the pot. This is a Licuala Ramsayi, also known as the Australian fan palm. These prefer a more shady light condition when they are small, and they are slow growing, which makes it a perfect container plant, as you can enjoy them in your outdoor spaces as well as indoors for quite some time before having to transplant them in the ground. As for watering these plants, keep them well watered and in well draining soil. I just love the shape of these fronds. Well guys, there you have it. So if you are interested in shopping at Plantvine for your tropical plants, you can use this coupon code to receive a discount. All of the links and information will also be in the description box below, so check it out. You guys can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. When I am not making videos, I am taking pictures, as there is always something new growing. And if you guys have any questions or just want a plant chat, you can leave a comment in the space below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!